Hi there! Scratch is a really cool programming environment that we can do a little bit of coding and create great games. Coding is really about how you solve a problem rather than learning a specific language or tool like Java or Scratch. So programming languages evolve and change all of the time, but at the core, the fundamental blocks of how you think don't change. Computational thinking actually, or process of for solving problems, can be taught even without learning a specific programming language. The code is just the tool that facilitates solving a challenge in a particular way. So, we're going to do some of computational thinking and coding at the same time with Scratch. And I can promise you that this process will be very funny and very exciting at the same time. So, our coding challenges are built around the graphical programming language Scratch, but there are a lot of others out there like Pencil Code, Touch Develop, and Blockly that allows users to write programs. Scratch eliminates the need to write any fancy code or syntax and get bogged down in nuances of the syntax like colons, commas, and parentheses that early on can be a distraction to learn the key concepts. We chose to use Scratch because we have had a lot of success with it in our programs, and there is a really strong community across the world of educators using this tool. We also like it because you can use it in the browser. It is actually a web-based version, or you can even download the offline editor into your computer. Finally, Scratch is designed with learning and education in mind. It's a great collaborative program for drawing art, playing music, and creating games. And it is also a place to experiment with mathematical functions, geometry, graphing, web pages, simulations, and algorithms.